in Investing 101, a look at the big earth-moving machine stocks with Gregory Halter, Director of Research at Carnegie Investment Counsel. Good to see you there. And Caterpillar hit a record high this year, and that company stunned Wall Street analysts with record revenue and a record profit for 2023. Is Big Cat a stock you would consider?
We don't specifically have Caterpillar as one of our names on our universe, if you will. We certainly know what they are and what they do, and they did surprise to the upside. Our selection in that area is Deere, symbol DE, which is more exposed to the agriculture markets, but they also have construction as well as forestry. There's only so much arable land in the world. These guys are working on autonomous in terms of the tractors, in terms of fertilizer, of spreading the right amount. We know farms are getting larger and larger. Deere plays right into that. Certainly coming from high crop prices a year or so ago, and as we know, high food prices at the grocery store. You've seen kind of a deflation in the attitude towards Deere. But we think this is an excellent long-term way to play food and the growth of food worldwide. So we would still be very attracted to Deere currently.
When you talk about farms getting larger, what do you see happening? We do hear reports that fewer people are going into farming.
That's certainly true. The community farmer, if you will, the family farmer, they've if they're on the edge of a town, they're able to sell that land for a large chunk of money. If the younger folks in the family don't want to be farmers, they can move to Florida or wherever. Guess who's buying that land? It's the big commercial farmer, and they're not just growing a few acres, few hundred acres. This is thousands and thousands of acres. So these are big industrial complexes. They can afford, and they also need this big equipment. And they certainly don't want to be spreading fertilizer, wasteful, polluting the environment and so forth. So Deere has come up with some very intriguing ways to do more with less, if you will, for certainly the big farmer.
Thank you for talking Investing 101 with us today.
Thank you very much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.